Hey there, thank you for joining and welcome to another Tech You Very Much Man versus AI video. In this quick video, Man and AI will show you a super handy trick for adding emojis to any document, chat, or app on your Windows computer or laptop. We all love using emojis to add some personality and expression to our messages and writings. But switching between windows or apps to copy and paste emojis can be a real hassle. Where there's an awesome built-in Windows shortcut that can make inserting emojis a total breeze. All you need to do is press the Windows key on your keyboard, plus the period. Give it a try right now. Press those two keys together and you'll see the emoji picker pop up. It's a panel that shows you a ton of emoji categories and options to choose from. Just use your mouse or touchpad to scroll through or click on any emoji you want. Or you can start typing to search for your specific emoji. Once you've selected it, the emoji will get inserted right where your cursor is in the document or chat. How cool is that? With just two keys, you can quickly pull up your emoji picker anywhere in Windows and add some fun, colorful colors. This shortcut is a real time saver and can make it so much easier to pepper your writing with all the emojis your heart desires. So give the Windows key plus period shortcut a try next time you're typing away. Your message and documents will never be bland again. That's it for this quick tip. Let me know if you have any other Windows shortcuts you'd like me to cover. Better yet, if you like this tip, like and subscribe and press the notification bell to keep up to date when future videos come out. Now let's see what AI can do.
Exposing the secret shortcuts in Windows. This is going to blow your mind with how easy it is to add some fun to your messages. If you're a Windows user, get ready to jazz up your documents and chats with just a couple of keystrokes. Here's a super quick tutorial on how to unlock the Emoji Keyboard on Windows. All you need to do is press the Windows key plus the period key. That's right, just hold down the Windows key and while keeping it pressed, hit the period or the semicolon key. Bam! A whole world of emojis pops up right at your fingertips. You can scroll through and click on any emoji you want to use or type in the search bar to find something specific. Whether it's a heart, a star, or even a unicorn, adding a little personality to your text is now easier than ever. So next time you're typing away and feel like expressing more than just words, remember this simple shortcut: Windows key plus period. Happy emoting!
Man and AI agree the emoji keyboard can be your friend and help you quickly jazz up your messages. It's time for you to decide, man or AI. Leave a comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.